Tēnā koe hoa, pēhea koe. Ka pai ka rawe tērā. Alrighty, te kaupapa tēnei wiki. Karakia anō. This is the second of 3 clips around karakia, and in this clip I'm going to be sharing 3 of my all-time favourite karakia to be said around bedtime. In next time's clip we're going to be talking about karakia around kai as well, so hang in there for that. Alrighty, let's get cracking. How many of you have tamariki around the home, or mokopuna around the home? Or heck, some of you may even have a high needs pet. But if you're anything like me, there are days when you look back on, especially around bedtime, you look back and you think, wow, it was a blur, what the heck happened? The days can get pretty full on. Karakia around bedtime can put the day into perspective for some of us. And what better way to take advantage of that peace and quiet around bedtime than to speak a karakia over your tamaiti or mokopuna, or even yourself or your pet, whatever you're into, kaitapai. So these 3 karakia are some great examples that you can use to do that. Te karakia tuatahi, and credit needs to go to Scotty Morrison for gifting us all this karakia. Ai, he taonga mā tātou. Sounds like this. Aio ana te rangi, aio ana te whenua, aio ana te ao katoa. Aio ana te moi a insert name. I roto I te mai, te matihere me te maori ori e. Kiau, kiau, kiau te moi. O pai ne. Whakapākihatia. The sky is tranquil. The earth is still. Everything is calm. Our whānau, or insert name, sleeps peacefully, immersed in deep love and contentment. Sleep well. He karakia a tāhua ne. Alrighty, te karakia tuarua comes from the song Wairua Tapu. And if you want a translation to this, just check out my previous video where I strummed along to Wairua Tapu and added some chords. So you'll see the translation in that clip. But spoken, this is what it sounds like. Wairua tapu tau mai rā. Wairua tapu mai I runga. Uhia mai ngā taonga pai. Ho mai tō aroha. Wahia kia tika. Akona mai rā kia u ki te pai. Horoia kia mau tonu rā. Mōhou te tino koroia. Pai ne. Te karakia tuatoru. Now I got this karakia from the My Moa website, and that's coming up on the screen now. The reason I put it up on the screen is just to give credit where credit's due. This is where I read this karakia from. I'm going to read it. I read it from a card because I haven't quite mastered it. But it sounds like this. He te atua tapu. Atua ora tonu. Nā tō kaha I hangaia ai mātou. Nā tō aroha I whakaorangia ai mātou. Mā tō wairua mātou e arataki. E whakakaha kia taia ai te whakapau ia mātou ki au mahi. Kia noho ai I rā I roto I te aroha. Tētahi ki tētahi. Ki te aroha anō hoki ki a koe. Ko ihu karaiti tō mātou āri ki āmene. Now, whakapākihatia tēnei karakia, and you'll see this is more of a Christian karakia. Sounds like this. Holy and ever-living God, by your power we are created, and by your love we are redeemed. Guide and strengthen us by your Spirit, that we may give ourselves to your service and live each day in love to one another and to you. Through Jesus Christ our Lord. Amen. Whoa, pai ne. He tino awe some tērā karakia. Alrighty e hoa mā. I hope you like those. I'm sure some of you have heard them before. I'd love to hear your favourite karakia. He aha tō tino karakia. Write it in the comments below. let me know, send me a message. Ka pai. Ai, kia pai tō ahi ahi, a kia pai tō rā. Ka kite anō.